another video of survival, but this time I'm playing with my friend, and I hope show up because I'm not gonna waste my time on there. Bro, bro, now bro is becoming bro is so no way, bro became 6'7" for a second. I didn't realize that until I just looked at that guy. I need to know where is my friend. Should I just invite her? Yeah, I'm probably gonna invite her. Oh, she actually came. Don't know. Jeez. Eu estou na ronda. Eu estou na ronda. Okay. Well, I'm not heard. Oh. Oh, what the hell is this? Imagine living here. There you are, little girl. Finally. Yo, what's good, fella? What's good? I really want to push her off. I don't know why. I just want to put... Yeah, just go down, bro. Oh, I think that kind of means that. Yep. I will be waiting you to die around. Oh, someone had already died. Oh. They are my cut. What is that? I can't see a thing. Oh, there they are. There he is. Oh, he's just gone. someone has one. If you do, from the looks of it, is that acid? No, not acid. For a second I thought that was acid. Oh, acid. No, it was toxic. Is she here? Nope. Well, not yet. POV. POV video gamer. If someone touches me or tries to push me, I'm just going to die. No! They killed me. They killed me. They killed me. They killed me. Espera. Eu não sou o teu tio. Quando eu estou assim, quando o meu avatar está assim, eu sou o teu amigo. I need to find her. Oh, see. Wait. Okay. I immediately got sent to death. My God, hey, can someone help us? Well, not really. I can just straight up do this. Well, this is my life. Stuck in prison. Get out. Doing nothing wrong. And they forgot the torso part. But I still haven't seen my torso. We'll just take a shit. Oh. Well. I just looked at her and just spilled at my girl. Help me! I thought I didn't switch the side. Among Us. Nah. He said Among Us. Nah. He said the great meme said. Where did this shit come from? Eu vou pra prisão sem nada, sem fazer nada. Eu não fiz absolutamente nada e fui pra prisão. I didn't do nothing and I went to prison. Eu não fiz nada e fui pra prisão. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Eu não fiz nada e fui para a prisão. I didn't do nothing wrong. Please, why are you doing this? I didn't do absolutely nothing. You created a thing called your problem. You had to create it. You had to made it wrong thing called. That's your reason. Now I'm just jumping off. Wait. And I died. Well, at least I'm okay. And she didn't die yet. I'm just straight up doing it. If I had shift lock, it would be very easy. Oh shit. Oh, she's here. Yay. Waving at me. No, I don't want to reset. I want to do emotes. Let me just do an emote. I want to emoting. I think I'm emoting. Ok, foi? Anda! Já foi quanto tempo? Fogo! Só fizemos para aí uma ronda. Ronda os dois. Não, hell yeah. Eu vou... I'm climbing this shit. Climbing. Yes. I see you up there. I see you. Where are we going? Oh shit. That's actually not fair though. Actually not fair. Did she die? Nah. I'm not alone here. I'm just this lonely guy. Apple Day saves the day. Red apple, yes. Least favorite. Click now. I can't buy shit. I have only 2 Robux. Oh, serious. Bora para outro jogo rápido. Para eu te dar alguma coisa. Bora para outro jogo rápido. Para eu te dar alguma coisa. Okay, 2 YouTube things. And what are they about? Yep. About her. About her. Please donate. When she sees the please donating, she thinks that I will give her Robux. Ha. I will give her Robux. And yes. Some of my friends are literally furries. And they are gay. I don't know why. I don't know why they are furries. I think she's already on my face. No. Oh. Yeah, I have to do something. Yeah, I have to reset. Okay, then a bit easier. Aonde é que está a tua banca? Tá aqui. Mas tu precisas de coisas aí para eu poder ir comprar para ti. Vai ao YouTube e pesquisa como fazer uma banca no Please Donate. Please Donate. Donate. Vai ver um tutorial como fazer uma banca neste jogo. E quando isso for dar Powerbox. I can't buy. Bro, how are people supposed to? How are people supposed to give you? They can't give you if you have big. It has to be lowercase. Well, guys, this is the end. And I have to say, I don't have Robux, so if you expect me to give you Robux, only do if I have Robux. I had to use my last Robux for this person. Nah, and I'm not even gonna do it. Nope, I'm just leaving.